What's the secret behind engaging email content that is not overly salesy? Well, there is a useful strategic formula that helps you maintain the perfect balance. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. Subscribers join your list for insights, not constant sales pitches. So it's vital to deliver on your promises and keep the content relevant to their interests. This is where the 80-20 rule comes in. 80% of your content should be dedicated to value, what people signed up for. And the remaining 20%? That can be about your business goals. Even when you do mention your products or services, keep it minimal. A small section in most emails with a gentle call to action will be just the right touch. Monitor your feedback loops. Are your promotional messages resonating, or are they a miss? Your subscribers' reactions will tell. Test and learn from every email sent. The perfect blend of content can lead to a more engaged, satisfied list of subscribers. It's all about finding the right balance to maintain trust and interest while achieving your business objectives. Fostering trust builds a foundation for lasting customer relationships and loyalty, which are the real keys to success. In every Mailtrap email content piece, we apply these basic principles and hope that your journey in refining email content will be as rewarding and effective. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!